A thankful Minister Niningi was all smiles this morning when he made the announcement, flanked by the State Solicitor, Public Solicitor and the Solicitor General, Secretary of the Judicial Services and the Acting Secretary for the Department of Justice. In thanking the Marape Rosso government, Minister Niningi explained that this is a first-of-its-kind reform made specifically for our country's higher court system.
Now, I'm privileged to announce that the NEC has approved. Now we're certainly taking off. We have a Supreme Court that will be the most highest court in the land. Next would be we will insert the Court of Appeal, which is next, and the bottom up is the National Court.
Under Section 155 of the Constitution, the Supreme and the National Courts are the only two higher court systems in PNG. However, under the NEC decision, the Department of Justice and Attorney General can now develop drafting instructions for a bill to amend Section 155 of the Constitution. These can now enable the establishment of another level of higher court system to be called the Court of Appeal or the Appellate Court. Minister Niningi said each level of court will have its own judge.
Whereas in the Court of Appeal, it's a Court of Appeal judges only. They won't come down or they won't go up. And the Supreme Court, likewise, the Supreme Court judges only. And the Supreme, they won't change the same judges and go up and down. This would be the thing of the past.
Furthermore, Minister Niningi highlighted one major advantage to the Court of Appeal, that it will now deal efficiently with the years of backlog cases yet to be heard. The reform higher court system will now go from the National Court to the Court of Appeal or the Appellate Court, and then to the Supreme Court, which is the highest court of the land. Secretary for Judicial Services, Jack Carrico, also applauded the decision.
We are very pleased with the decision by the National Executive Council to approve the constitutional amendments. So as the Attorney General has mentioned, it will go through a few more of the executive government process, which is the Legislative Council, and then hopefully it will get presented in Parliament.
The decision to include the Court of Appeal in the higher court system in PNG will provide a better platform for a coherent development of our local jurisprudence. Lindy Suharupa, National EMTV News.